Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making keto blueberry lemon cheesecake fat bombs. A zesty, creamy, and low-carb treat that's perfect for a quick snack or dessert. Let's get started. Ingredients: 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 1/4 cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 2 tablespoons powdered erythritol, or your preferred keto sweetener. Optional, extra blueberries for garnish. Directions: in a mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese, butter, lemon juice, lemon zest, and sweetener until smooth. Gently fold in the blueberries. Scoop small portions of the mixture and roll them into balls. Place the fat bombs on a lined baking sheet and freeze for at least 30 minutes. Store in an airtight container in the freezer until ready to serve. Prep time: 10 minutes. Freezing time: 30 minutes. Total time: 40 minutes. Kcal: 90 kilocalories. Servings: 10 fat bombs. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.